Greetings one and all. Happy cast iron Wednesday. I should say good morning one and all, because it's actually almost 10 a.m. I'm making chicken tacos, but I'm prepping for upcoming week's lunches. So 2 birds with 1 stone. I almost didn't film it, but last minute decided, why not? So let's get to the prep and we'll get to cooking. Scale it out. That's my spoon. There we go. A little bit of small amount of salt. A little bit of sloppy mama. A little bit of paprika. And garlic powder. Alright, so it's looking good, smelling good. Got a little mushroom in here as you saw. Just want to open one of these up. Yep, they're fully cooked. I got some chicken taco seasoning. Pour that in. And then I'll add about 2, let's see. No, that'll be good. 1 sachet, I just fill it full of water, pour it in there. When I get the rest of the seasoning out of the packet, or sachet, or whatever you want to call it. And then the water will help deglaze the pan, lift all that goodness up off the bottom. And then I just let it simmer until the water pretty much evaporates. Alright, and we're on. Super happy with the chicken. Got like a little sauce in there with the water and the taco. Just threw this into a skillet to warm it up. And I found this spicy mayo from Best Foods. The camera will zoom in on that. Come on, focus. So Best Foods mayonnaise dressing, because I was originally going to make wraps. Come on. And I was going to use this in the wraps, which I guess technically, I guess you could still call it a wrap, although I use taco seasoning. But let's get a little ground beef, dude. Get a little chicken in there. Got my washed and spun dry leaf lettuce. Now I like to actually keep mine in larger pieces instead of shredding it, because then it doesn't fall out everywhere. So by having larger pieces, you know, it stays more intact. And I got tomatoes, but I'm gonna put them on. Well, at work tonight. So that's how she looks. I only made one because I just had a bowl of oatmeal about an hour and 15 minutes ago, so I'm not super hungry. Damn, the lights in the way. I was thinking as I was sitting down, I was like, is it a wrap or is it a taco? It's seasoned with taco. Whatever. I would have bought some avocado, but they were all green at the store and they wouldn't have been ripe in time since I bought all this stuff yesterday. So, poor time management on my part. So first of all, the flavor, really good. The mayo's got a nice little spice to it, as I'm digging. And it's going well with the cheese, just cheddar cheese. And then the lettuce, so I get that nice crunch. The tomatoes have been nice, but it's, you know, for later. Should plan a little bit better on that. But I was thinking about, while I was eating, the difference between a wrap and a taco. I think maybe because I heated up the chicken. Well, whatever. It's still phenomenal. So, link for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist will be in the description. On the end, and also the end, along with last week's video if you missed it. I do thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.